All right, boys and girls, here we are, day 2 of our January daily math. And we have used less than, greater than, or equal to. Here we have 10 divided by 5, less than, greater than, or equal to 20 divided by 10. So if I split 10 into 5 equal parts, my answer is 2. Because 2 times 5 equals 10. Now if I split 20 into 10 equal parts, the answer is 2, because 2 times 10 equals 20. So 2 is equal to 2. Okay, here we go. We have 5 times 7. So 5 times 5 is 25, 30, 35. So 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8, so one more 5 compared to 35 would be the next number up, which is 40. And 9 would be the next number up, which is 45. All right. Happy New Year, it says. How much are these Scrabble tiles worth in all? So we have 1, 2, 3. We have 4 4s, right? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa. 4 4s is 16. We have 1, 2, 2 3s, which is 6. 0 2s, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So 6 plus 6 plus 6, or 3 times 6 equals 18. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So all in all, we have 28. Okay? So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. All right, count by 5s. Start at 300. 305, 310, 315, 320. Again, just keep going by 5s here. 325, 330, 35, and 40. 45. All right, there we go. Mystery number. Take 5 groups of 7, subtract 8, and then add 20. What number am I? Okay, so let's do this again. Take 5 groups of 7. Well, we said 5 groups of 7 is 35. Okay. There's my 5 groups of 7. Now I'm going to subtract 8. Well, 35 minus 8 is 27. And then it says add 20. What number am I? Oh, I missed it. You missed all my work there. I'm sorry. So again, 5 groups of 7 was 35. And we're going to subtract 8 to give us 27. And then add 20 to give us 47. What number am I? 47. All right, boys and girls, great job on that. We'll see you tomorrow for day number 3.